Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are making egg sauce. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. Please do well to subscribe, like, share and leave your comments for me. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. So guys, without wasting much time, let's just dive into the video. And here is my ingredients for this recipe. Here is my fresh tomatoes, my raw eggs. I'm using 3 raw eggs for this recipe. And here is my fresh pepper, garlic and onions. I love to add in garlic in my egg sauce. It makes a lot of difference. Okay, you're going to love it. So I'm going to start now by chopping my tomatoes. To my returning subscribers, my OGs, thank you so much guys for always coming back to support me. God bless you all. Guys, let me know where you are watching from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to leave your comment for me. Please share my video, okay? And do all that good stuff to the channel, okay? And here is my tomatoes after chopping them. So here is my garlic and my onions. The garlic is going to dissolve in the oil. You won't even see it when you're eating your food, okay, when you're eating your meal. So here is my fresh pepper. Just go in with the quantity of pepper you think you can tolerate. So we are going to start now to heat up our pan. So I'm going to heat up some oil in a dried pan. And once the oil is hot, I'll be adding in my onions and garlic. I'm just going to mix this and then I will add in my curry powder. The curry powder here is optional, but you can add it in, okay? You're going to love the outcome. So guys, I'm just going to allow this to fry for like 2 minutes before adding in my next ingredient. So now that our onions have sauteed, I'll be adding in my chopped tomatoes and then I'll be adding in my pepper. Please go in with the amount of pepper you think you can take, okay? I love spicy food, that's why I'm adding a lot of this pepper. And moreover, this pepper is not even that hot. I'm going to mix this now and I will cover the pot, allow this to fry, okay? And as this is frying, let's prepare our egg. So in my plate, I'll be breaking in my egg. Please, I will advise that you don't break your egg in one plate, okay? Break them separately and add them, like look for 2 plates. You break, you add it in another plate, you break, you add it in the same plate. So that if any egg is bad, it's not going to spoil the rest of the egg. But because my egg is very fresh, I'm sure of the egg I bought. That's why you see that I'm breaking them directly in one plate, okay? So now I'm just going to whisk this egg with my fork. and then I'll be adding in salt. I'm going to whisk this egg well, and once I'm done mixing, we'll check on our sauce, okay? I use this pot cover to cover it because this my saucepan doesn't have cover, okay? So yeah, our sauce is almost done, but our tomato is not yet fried. I'm going to be adding in my seasoning cube. I'm using the Maggi chicken here. So you are going to take it easy in your seasoning, okay? Because you also season your egg so that you won't end up with a salty egg sauce. I'm just going to mix, cover, and allow this to fry for some more. Guys, if you have watched me up to now, it means you are enjoying this video. Please don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to leave your comment for me in the comment section and do all that beautiful stuff, okay? I'm just going to cover now and allow this to fry for some more. So here our tomatoes has fried. I'll be adding in my egg now. I'm not going to stir this, I'm just going to cover it and let it fry for a few seconds, okay, before I can now come back to stir it. So I just want it to cook a little, just a little, okay, before stirring it. So here is what I was talking about. So I'm just going to stir it now, and I will cover it and let it fry for some more. Guys, have you subscribed to the channel? Have you liked this video? Have you shared the video? Have you please subscribe, like, and also leave your comment and share the video, okay? So I'm just going to stir it now and cover it, allow this to fry for some more. Here we have it, our egg sauce is almost ready. I'm not done yet, so at this point you can test for salt, and if you feel that you need to adjust, you can now adjust it, okay? So now I'm just going to add in my spring onions, and then I'm going to mix this, allow this to fry for a few seconds, and our egg sauce is ready. Let me know in the comment section what you'll be enjoying this egg sauce with. Let me know, is it bread? Some people use bread for egg sauce. I've not had bread and egg sauce before. Let me know if it's yam you'll be enjoying with this egg sauce, or boiled plantain, fried plantain, or potato. For me, I'll be enjoying my egg sauce with my sweet potato. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to do all that good stuff to the channel, okay? Do not forget to like, share, comment, and guys, also do all that good stuff, okay? If you want to go further to thank me, you can always use the thank button, okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.